Welcome to the Q On Demand podcast, your source for expert tips from the authors of the Q On Demand series. For more information on the topics covered in this podcast series and for bonus online content, visit qondemand.com/podcast, home of the visual, color, step-by-step reference guides for all your CS4 learning and more.
Hi, I'm Steve Johnson. Welcome to another edition of Q On Demand podcast. Today we're going to be working with Photoshop CS4 and a new feature called Content Aware. Have you ever had a photograph that you wanted to scale, and when you scaled it, it kind of got squished? Or if you had a photograph where you had different individuals in it and you wanted to scale it, but you wanted to scale maybe only a portion of it. You wanted to keep a certain part of the image protected, and the other part you wanted to scale. Well, now with Content Aware scaling, you can do that. I have an image right here of a bush and a landscape. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to scale this image, yet I'd like to keep the bush the same size. So I'm first of all going to use one of the selection tools in Photoshop to be able to select the area that I do not want to be scaled. And it doesn't have to be an exact selection. I'm going to go up to the select menu and I'm going to go ahead and save it. I'm going to call it Bush and then click OK. Then I'm going to go ahead and deselect the image there. And then I'm going to go up to the Edit menu and say Content Aware Scaling. So now you'll notice that there are some resize handles all around the image. And I'm going to go ahead and drag one on the left, and as I drag it, you'll notice that the tree size of my bush doesn't change, yet the rest of the image does. And so that's a great thing about Content Aware scaling, is that you can pick an area that you don't want to be changed and you can scale the rest of the image.
For more information and bonus online content, visit qondemand.com/podcast, home of the visual, color, step-by-step reference guides for all your CS4 learning and lots more. qondemand.com/podcast.